have ever heard of the Muckalee Creek out there in Villa River. But here's the deal, I know y'all got a lot of creeks and rivers around here, ain't that right? Well, see, down at the Muckalee Creek right outside of Leesburg, Georgia, we like to catch a few catfish. We like to drink a little moonshine, and we like to shoot our guns up into the sky and don't nobody say a damn thing about it, that right? So we're going to take y'all down to the Muckalee Creek, just like I know y'all got a creek somewhere about 10 miles from here. Come on. Underneath the 32 bridge, it cuts through the heart of South Georgia. Big copperheads and million wild pigs, and gators in the weeds waiting for you. I leave my phone in the truck, I leave my truck at the road, my four-wheel